Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we're kind of late this morning because we're supposed to come out 5 o'clock and 5 o'clock gone. But understand and know, say yesterday, one thief come in my house and thief me equipment. Yes. But we decide say nothing and stop God word from go out to no today. So, if you want more people to hear about the miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples, recorded in the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock, more or less Jamaica time, every morning. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 8 from verse 22 to verse 26. Jesus and him follower them reach a Bethsaida. Some people carry one blind man to Jesus and beg him to touch him. So Jesus hold the man on and carry him out of the town. Then him pick pan the man eye them, put him hand pan them, and ask the man say, "You can't see nothing?" The man look up and say, "Me see people, but they look like tree a walk round." So Jesus put him hand pan the man eye them again. When he open up him eye them that time there, him coulda see. And him see everything good. Jesus tell him fi go him yard. Him say, "No even go back in the town." A God word this. Thank God. So